Good morning, everyone, home and abroad. I'm Fumi Adekpegba, a teacher of Yoruba literature. This morning, I'm bringing you part 3 of the Yoruba's deity. Yes, we're still going to part 4. I'm bringing you part 3 now. Now, the first one on the part 3 is Oya. I'm still continuing on Oya. Oya is the best wife of Shango. Oya is a powerful woman. Oya Oriri, very powerful woman in her days. Oya fights with the wild wind. When she's angry, you see the wild wind, especially when it's about to rain. When you see the wild wind, don't go into it, keep away. It could paralyze you. They worship Oya in Oyo, Oshun, even Nupe land and some parts outside Nigeria. The next one, I'll pick Orisa Oko. Ogunjemini is the name of Orisa Oko. He was a hunter of birds and small animals. He wasn't a big time hunter. When he gets old, he became a babalawo. Ogunjemini happened to be a very powerful man in his days. He waged war against the witches and the wizards in the land. He captured them. He overpowered them. Even the Ogbanje, he captured them, overpowered them. People respect him. People bow for him. Up till today, they worship Orisa Oko. Yes, they worship Orisa Oko in Ekolo under a big tree. Another one, that's number 3, Horo. Horo is sacred. Horo is a powerful deity among the Yorubas. Horo cleanses the land. Let me tell you one thing. He has his do's and his don'ts. Don't try to ever peep and see an Horo, be you a man or a woman. The only category of people who are capable of seeing an Horo is his cult members, who are men, only men. Remember, only men who are members of his cult. If you are a woman and a member of his cult, you cannot see an Horo. If you are a man, you cannot see an Horo. Because you are a man doesn't mean you can see an Horo. You cannot see an Horo. The only people who are qualified to see an Horo are his cult members, and they must be men. When you are hearing strange sounds in the land, like please run away. Run away fast, or you hide yourself immediately. You hide yourself very well somewhere. Let me tell you one thing. When an Horo is coming out, it's not just coming out. He cleanses the land. He is a very good God among the Yorubas, and according to the Yorubas' belief. Horo cleanses the land. When there are diseases, an Horo can come out to cleanse the land. He cleanses the land, and you dare not see him. You dare not look at him. In case you mistakenly stumble an Horo and he stoned you, or maybe you are able to run away and escape, let me tell you, it will curse you. He will curse you, and that curse will stick on that person for life. If it means that person will never have children, the person will never have children. If it means the person will never have a wife, the person will never have a wife. Be careful. Don't try to peep or see an Horo. Is a very powerful God and a no-nonsense God.